Hi, and welcome to Stable Secretary. Today I'm going to make a video to show you how to add basic events. So simple events that don't require a ton of criteria. For that, you would use a detailed event form. We are going to start by clicking the Add Basic Events button on the schedule online. We get to this screen. You can see that you can add service events, appointment events, or task events this way. I am going to choose to add some service events to horses. So I will click Add Events by Horse on, and then I will select the horses that I want to work with for that day. And just to make things quick, I'm going to pretend that it's just a pretty easy day. One person's going to ride all of these horses. We'll pick it for today. And we usually would start riding around 8. So I will just work my way down and put the start times an hour apart to give a little bit of time. And we're going to make an exception on this last one just so I can show you. Let's pretend that someone else is coming at 10 to ride this horse. So like I said, most of the time they'll be ridden by Grant. So we'll apply to all, except for that last one. We'll customize it so that it's being ridden by somebody else, and I'll change the color as well to indicate that it's different. I could write a description. I do need to choose the service. We can manage services so that you can put whatever services you need to be scheduled. They're all getting ridden. And you could add another one too if you wanted. Let's say that we're here and we know that, say, Manny, this horse here, well, that one needs to get lunged before that person rides it. So we'll add that in and we'll make sure that's nice and early, maybe 7:30 a.m. And we'll give that task to someone who's good at lunging. And that's all we have to do. So now we've added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 events to our schedule very quickly. I will press Save Events. We get a confirmation and an invitation to go see it in the schedule. And there they all are. I hope this helps. Watch our other videos about schedule to see how to add different things, customize your views, use resources, filter the events, etc. And contact Stable Secretary anytime for support or if you have questions. Thanks for watching.